So the transitions that we make, it's like waking up in the morning. You want to give your body time to go from this very deep inward place to being outward. When we do these kinds of lessons, all of the lessons are fairly inward lessons. We're connecting to the bone. We're connecting to our senses. We're going inside the body. And so when you transition from doing a lesson like this, even if it's with the computer, with the recording, you're still connecting with yourself. It's not that you're connecting with the computer, it's yourself you're connecting with. And of course, there's people in the world we're connecting with too. But right now, when we're focused on ourselves and this transition to kind of be social, whether it's a class or you're looking at the recording, there's a socialness to that you take a moment and transition so that you still stay connected to your senses. Okay. This is a really important thing the bat for me teaches, of really being connected to my senses. Okay. All right. I just had to say that because this is a very deep series. And it's important that you play a little bit with these transitions in your life, whether it's from waking up in the morning or a nap or doing a meditation or a movement practice and then going into your social thing or your work thing or your play thing. Okay.